Hello everyone, Superwash Kid 2002 here, and today we're going to do another wash in the Hotpoint WMFUG 942. Today we're going to do some bedding, you can see here, and we're going to put it on synthetics, 60 degrees and 1000 RPM with extra rinse. So let's get loading. Bed sheets and all sorts here. It's quite a lot. So see that? Here we are. Got my light. See a bit better. And we're going to put the detergent in. And it's pretty standard for just to let you know, most of my washing videos will have this detergent. But the conditioner might change every now and then. So we've got the Law, this one, the Ocean Escape version. So it's nearly empty, but yeah. So pop that in there. And then fairy powder. Quite a bit here left. Fairy powder. I've got some in my box now, so I don't have to go downstairs and put it in and stuff, so it's much easier. There we go. And the program we're going to be using is Synthetics, which is number 5, which I already preset it, and we want 60 degrees, and 1000 is the max. You can't go. I will do a separate spin after this. I do want extra rinse, so it does 3 rinses, and I want Auto Plus and Start. Getting through pre-wash first, and then it will. My one doesn't do the initial drain, so after the second pre-wash fill, it won't do anything for about like 30 seconds, because on the older models, between that bit it would do initial drain and then it would fill up, but mine just doesn't do anything for about 30 seconds. Yeah, pre-wash first, and then we'll switch over to main wash. I wonder if I can make it so it could be like that, switch it over, and then, aha, it's better. There we are, now you can see the time as well. That's much better. There we are. I'd say that is much better. There we go. There we go. The next cycle, which I will be filming after Synthetics, will be Fast Wash 60. And then I might do Fast Wash 30 as well. And then I might do... I've done Cotton 60. I will eventually do Cotton 40, and I will do whites eventually, and anti-stain. I will do them all eventually, but it will be slow because I don't want to do them all at once. I also will be filming baby care in the Samsung soon, which is on my list. Dark garment I've got to do, synthetics I've got to do, hygiene care I've got to do on that. Oh no, I've already done hygiene care on that one. But yeah, a few cycles which I've got to do on there. And yeah, so a few cycles I've got to do, which will be coming. I've sorted it all out, so I know how I'm going to do this now, so I've got time. So every single cycle which is getting on, that now I'm making this promise, from today onwards, every single cycle I'm doing, which I'm at home, I will be filming now. So yes, that is very exciting for a lot of people. I hope you're all excited for that. I wonder if I can get a little bit closer. Oh, that click is the heater activating. Is the heater activated now, so don't worry, it will feel higher. That won't be the level. It will go higher. I was going to do bed and bath again, but it just takes so long. And as well, I've already done that cycle, so I wanted to do a different cycle. So I'm doing synthetic. There you are, so it's doing another top. It will do another top up as well. Now the little thing up there is it's sensing at the moment. It will adjust. So if you guys are wondering what that thing is flashing, that's because it's sensing the load. Yeah, because I like to show people what stage it's at. So, because I know quite a few videos don't show the top, which I like to see the top. So, yeah, I know quite a lot of YouTubers do show the top, but I like to show where it's at. Hopefully it'll do a nice level rinse, hopefully. I'm hoping. Oh yeah, I've also got to do bedding on my Samsung as well, which I will be doing. I might be doing that at some point as well. The most likely, oh yeah, I will be doing super speed. Well, eventually when I get all the cycles done, then I'll do different options on them as well. I will be filming that as well. So eventually I will be filming super speed with free rinses and intensive. But most cycles which you will see filmed on the Samsung, which I've noticed people tell me to put on, which I found as well, put on intensive, which adds on 10 minutes. But what I found is if you don't do that, then it doesn't heat to the right temperature. So that's why I put intensive on. It only adds in 10 minutes, it's like nothing. So it makes it heat to the right temperature as well. So that's why I'm doing that. Also, I've never ever put liquid in this machine. I've only put powder in this. I've never put pods or anything, only just powder I've put in this machine. I did do liquid at first with the Samsung, but someone told me not to do that, so I don't use liquid anymore. I don't. Oh, here we go. Now, what this does, while it's sensing, this is the only. I think this is the only cycle that does this on the sensing part. I'm not. I think apparently Cotton Standard 20 does it as well, but it does like really fast tumbles while it's sensing. It's almost up to distribution, but it doesn't just get it. It almost does. It's yeah. Look, see, it's almost distribution. These tumbles. It does it only on synthetics, I think. I haven't tried Cotton Standard 20 yet, which I will try eventually. I will try that cycle. Back to slow tumbles now. Oh, it's sensed. There you are. There you go. It's filling even more as well. So. There we go. Right, I'll see you guys in main wash.